This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, dusk-sensing headlights, a power rear lift tailgate, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.